The voice of truth.
That Allah does not look at your face, but rather Allah looks at your heart and looks at your action.
We Muslims know life is a test.
And so in order for us to have peace, there must be standards, there must be proof.
The voice of justice.
Indeed, to all nations we send a messenger, that they will call people to worship one God, Allah.
The one who is the only one who can grant true peace.
That we are looking for.
The voice of peace.
The last and final instruction manual for the human being, it is the glorious Quran.
The voice standing up for all of humanity against all falsehood. Islamic voice.